Welcome back. We are out on Lake Michigan, heading out to hook into some Lakers, hopefully. Maybe some coho and brown trout, possibly. But there's Mike at the helm. We got a pretty nice view. Plan is to head out to the break wall and start what we like to call perch jerking out there, and we'll go over the gear once we get out there and get settled in, but yeah, we'll see what we can do. We'd head out to the break wall directly out in front of Navy Pier and target water depths between 25 and 35 feet of water. Mike's hooked up with the first one. Missed one earlier. Let's see what he's got. Got a Laker. White one. Big old white looking thing. Go. Not bad. All right.
First Laker of the day.
Beautiful.
She's bloody.
Cool. Nice. It wouldn't take long for us to get onto a school of fish. We'd have a bunch of misses, but Mike was able to hook up on one of them. We quickly realized that they were feeding on a school of alewives down below us. If there's one thing I've learned in all my years of fishing, it's matching your lures to the bait that's out in the water, and you're gonna get bit. So all of our fish have come on breakwalls, or at least the transition between the main lake and the harbors, right at the edge of the breakwall. So we're kind of just hopscotching from one to the other, and we pull up and drop our lures down, and usually if there's something there, we get one in a few minutes. If not, it's kind of a dead zone, a struggle, but be a nice scenery here. And here's what we're fishing with. Power bait, little swim bait here, 5.5 inch, with what, 3/4 ounce, half ounce jig head. Seems to be doing the trick. It's what we used on our last trip back in February, where we put a hurting on them down out of Hammond Harbor. He's not much of a fighter.
Nice color.
Yeah. I've caught pike that fight better than that thing. All right. Well, that was quick and easy. Not bad. Okay. And pulling the hook out through the front of the face.
All right. Got another one. Ooh.
What kind of rod and reel you got there?
I have a Mojo Bass medium heavy and a Shimano Corrado 150 MGL.
What kind of line you got on that?
30-pound braid and a 14-pound fluorocarbon leader.
Nice.
So.
And the technique?
Tap, 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 lift, tap, 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 lift, and right on the bottom. Where is this fish at?
They put up a nice fight.
Yeah.
This one's definitely bigger than the last one,
Yep.
I think.
fish in the boat.
Sweet.
All right. Here's another
A
one.
little better one. Very nice. Got the skyline behind you. Very nice. Okay.
Probably no recovery needed. Nope.
I'm gone. Mike would definitely have the hot hand for the day.
Nope. Goodbye.
Yeah, you see that surface? They don't want nothing to do with it. There we go. Nope. Got some slack out. In the net. That's a good one. That might be the biggest one so far.
It's probably the biggest one of the day.
Nice, long, healthy looking trout. The mouth of the harbor would be our last spot for the day, trying to score one more fish. All right, we're calling it. We got 5 fish for the day. Mike's 4 to my 1. Sun finally decided to come out, but it's getting towards the afternoon here, and we want to beat the rush hour traffic out of this hellhole of a city called Chicago. So we're heading to the boat launch now, and if you like what you saw in this episode, hit that like button, comment down below, and please consider subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next adventure. Thanks for watching.